And now let's send things over to meteorologist Eric Alf. Eric, we've seen some wild weather tonight. Are we in the clear just yet? I think that's what we're all wondering here.
Yeah, you're right, Ann. In terms of the most potent storms, I think we're pretty much done with it. We could see a few rumbles of thunder tonight, maybe some heavy rain, but the severe threat is a lot lower with any storms that we see tonight and early tomorrow morning. But thank you, Han, for sending in this photo at the Salisbury City Park. Some damage with this downed tree limb and also a downed tree by East Main Street down on the road. So we've had the wind damage for sure. Some creepy clouds as well. Look at this well-defined shelf cloud with the rain showers right here. So really healthy storms with the humidity that we had in place. But the large hail was a story as well. Look at this quarter and look at this gargantuan hail, golf ball size. I mean, that is huge. We saw some really, really huge hailstone reports, and this was the lightning history today. A ton of lightning out there with these southern storms that pushed through. And also a good amount of storm reports across the peninsula, including one report of a funnel cloud by Galestown, and then a report of wind damage by Laurel, Delaware, with numerous reports of trees down and wires down as well. And even a few reports of some winds between 60 to 70 miles per hour closer towards the Bayside. And of course, we had that large hail at around 1.5 inches right here in Preston. So really impressive storms. We even had that tornado warning storm. Remember that? Well, there was definitely evidence of rotation. We could see this rotation history. It kind of peaked right around where Galestown is, right around where the funnel cloud report was. But once the tornado warning expired, of course, that's when we saw the rotation broaden as that storm complex approached Georgetown. So bottom line is that we're pretty much done with this complex of storms, and it's kind of fizzling out offshore. There is another complex out towards the west. It looks really feisty, and you might be thinking, oh, great, we're going to be doing this all over again. But I just don't think that's going to be the case. I think a lot of that's going to be burning off. It's calm right now on the Morse reading sighting Skycam, and I think the storms that come through tonight will generally be on the tamer side. A lot of energy is used up from the storms that pass through right now. So 60s right now, 65 with Chucky and Lewis, 68 with Ted and Millsboro. It's humid as well. But again, I just don't think the storms that come through tonight will be as strong. And there is a really small risk for an isolated pop-up storm during the afternoon that could produce some gusty winds, but very, very low chance for this. The overall severe threat for tomorrow afternoon has diminished greatly. And we'll show you those storms on Futurecast. There could be a few bouts of heavy rain, maybe a few rumbles of thunder, and maybe they get a little bit strong, but I just don't think the severe threat is really there for these storms tonight. But just sometime during the early morning hours on Saturday, 5, 6, 7, maybe even 8 a.m., there could be a few bouts of rain and some rumbles of thunder, but these should be more of the garden variety type. Still could get a little noisy though. But then the sunshine breaks out for your day on Saturday. By the afternoon, again, there might be a pop-up storm. It's not showing up on Futurecast, but the possibility is there. It's a very low-end chance, and then by the time we get to Sunday, the rain chance is zilch, 0. A really nice days on the way with lower humidity as well. So it'll be in the 60s for tonight with muggy conditions. A few showers and storms will still be possible. A very small chance for a pop-up storm tomorrow. Could produce some gusty winds if a storm were to develop. But other than that, though, we're looking at mostly sunny skies. By the afternoon, temperatures in the 80s, still a bit on the humid side, but the humidity really tanks for your day on Sunday. It's going to be an absolutely beautiful day. And the first half of this week is looking really great as well, but it does get unsettled by the middle of this week. Wednesday into Thursday, cooler temperatures, highs in the 60s, with showers around and mostly cloudy skies, maybe lingering into Friday, Anthony.